Hi everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a simple and delicious bread pudding. Soft, creamy, and full of flavor. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we'll need today. Day-old bread, eggs, sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, milk, whipping cream, melted butter, and some dried raisins. First, cut your bread into squares. I'm using a 9 by 9 inch pan that I've already greased it. Place the bread cubes right into the pan, spreading them out evenly. In a mixing bowl, 2 eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, sugar, whisks quick. Add the milk, the whipping cream, the butter, just melted. Whisk again until it's silky. Pour it slow over every cube of bread. Let it drink. Raisins, a dusting of cinnamon, pretty and warm. Into the oven, 175 Kelvin, Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, 45 minutes. When it comes out, golden, puffed, custard set, it's ready. Warm, comforting, perfect. Look at that! Beautifully baked bread pudding! Let it cool just a bit, then slice into neat squares. Lift one out. See how soft? How custardy? It smells incredible. Creamy, warm, like a hug in food form. Perfect for sharing. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.